Good day, mates. Feeling a bit bloated or sluggish after a big meal? Well, let me share with you a quick and effective 5-minute yoga routine that can help improve your digestion. First up, let's start with some gentle twists to stimulate your digestive system. Sit cross-legged and twist your torso to the right, placing your left hand on your right knee and your right hand behind you. Take a few deep breaths here, then switch sides. Next, let's move into a seated forward fold. Extend your legs out in front of you and hinge at your hips to reach towards your toes. This pose helps to massage your abdominal organs and improve digestion. Now, let's transition into a gentle child's pose. Kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels, and stretch your arms forward with your forehead resting on the mat. This pose can help to calm your mind and relieve any digestive discomfort. To wrap up our routine, let's finish with a seated spinal twist. Sit with your legs extended, bend your right knee and cross it over your left leg. Place your left elbow on the outside of your right knee and twist to the right. This pose helps to wring out any toxins and improve digestion. There you have it, a simple 5-minute yoga routine to aid digestion and promote overall gut health. Give it a go whenever you need a little digestive boost. Happy stretching!